In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Commonwealth Bank's income protection. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop, go to Google and type in Commonwealth Bank income protection. And then from here, go past all the sponsored results and then click on income protection insurance in Australia from commbank.com.au. So this is the official website of the Commonwealth Bank. As you can see, you're on the insurance tab here. Alright, so once you're here, scroll down and you can read all the features and benefits. And then keep scrolling down here, things to cover, have a quick read of this stuff here. You might be eligible for a discount and who can apply. So income protection provided by AI Australia is available to CommBank customers with NetBank who permanently reside in Australia. So you need to be a customer of Commonwealth Bank to get insurance with them. Income protection. So if you are a customer, go ahead and click on quote in NetBank. Alright, so before we hand over you to AI, please allow us to share your full name, product type and unique application ID. So go ahead and click on agree. And then what they'll do, they'll redirect you to AIA Australia. Alright, then you'll land to this page here. So a quote will ask a few simple questions about you to provide an indicative price. Takes about 2 minutes. Apply, answer some simple questions about your health and lifestyle. Review and purchase. If you're ready, proceed to apply. So go ahead and click on get started. So from here, I'm going to choose I'm a male. Have you smoked tobacco or any other substance? No. But if you are a smoker, click yes. Are you an Australian New Zealand citizen living permanently in Australia? Yes. And then click on next. And then fill out this for me. Your first name, last name, date of birth, email address and phone number. And then once you've done that, click on to next down here. So I'll quickly fill this out. Alright, then you've got to answer these questions here for premium discounts, life insurance, income protection discount. Do you currently hold a life insurance provided by AIA? If so, you may be eligible for 5% life insurance and income. So if you are, click yes. If you're not, click no. Same thing for your partner. I'm going to click no. Once that is done, go ahead and click on to next. So now you've got to fill out your occupation details here. So put in your position title. Alright, once you've filled this out, you might come to this problem here. So it might say, we're sorry, we're unable to offer you cover because you've not met our occupation requirements. We may be able to help you with other protection options. So if you get this, give this phone number a call here from 8:30 AM to 5:30 PM AEST time for an obligation-free general discussion around your needs. So just give them a phone call to see if you still can get the Commonwealth Bank income protection. But if you don't get this, click on next and follow the rest of the form and then you are good to go.